Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all backup methods on the TECNO Spark 30. Okay, so let's open up our settings first, and now let's scroll down into the bottom and let's click on the system. Now we need to scroll down again, and we have in here backup to Google. Under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged in. Remember that if you want to restore your backup in the future, you need to be logged in into the same Google account, so please don't forget password to it. Also, you can see below the free space of it on our account, and make sure that backup by Google one is enabled right in here. Now click on this blue button, backup now. Now the process will start within a few seconds, and under the backup we will see a thin little bar. That's the one. And when it's fulfilled into the opposite edge, it will mean that the backup is successfully made. So let's wait until it's finished. Okay, now as you can see, the backup is finished. Now we can also go back, and I'm gonna show you the second method. To do it, we need to be logged in into the TECNO Cloud account. The TECNO ID, you need to create an account for yourself. Now click on TECNO Cloud, click on Agree, click on Get Started. Now backup and recovery, you can also enable the automatic backup right in here if you want. And now simply click on backup, click on allow, and backup is made successfully. Also, in the future you will be able to restore it also from here. So we just backuped messages, call logs, system settings and app lists to the cloud. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.